Hi, Joe here, call sign N1LUG, and I've got Christopher behind the camera there, KI5JAU, and we're going to show you today how we're going to make a 12-volt power supply for our portable radio. We were gifted a dual band radio, a little Yazoo from a local ham here, and we needed a portable 12-volt power supply. So we've decided we're going to take a little charger that a lot of folks have. We had a couple of extra ones laying around the shop here, and we're going to use that to get 12 volts out of this 20-volt battery. This is a 2 amp. They come in 2 and 4 and some other varieties. I'm not sure. We have 2 and 4 amp ones. But we have taken apart one of our chargers, and we've just taken a simple 24 volt to 12 volt DC converter regulator, and we've mounted it on the back, drilled through. We took the PC board out, removed all the components from it, so we just had the mount with our little prongs here that attach to the battery, and wired the inputs from the battery to the inputs on the regulator, outputs from the regulator back through to an Anderson connector that we're going to weave through the front cover when we put this back together. Stick our battery on. In a minute here we'll get that assembled, and we'll come back to you and we'll put our little fluke meter on it and see what we get. Okay, we're back now. We've got our power supply mounted, all put together, neatly reassembled. Looks like a pretty neat little package. We came out with some number 12 wire here and an Anderson connector, and we're going to see if it works now. So I misspoke a moment ago though. I did say 20 volt, where this is actually the 18 volt series battery. I have other batteries that are 20s on other systems, I think Milwaukee, but nevertheless this is 18, and we're going to see what we get out of it. So we just slide it back on, lock it in there. We've got our voltmeter set to DC voltage. Can you get that?
Mm-hmm. There you go. Even better.
And there we go. We have 12.3 volts DC output, which will be just fine for running our little mobile. And if we have a 4 amp battery there at 12 volts, most of the time our little radio pulls about 2 amps. So you can do the math. At full transfer power, transmit power, we should have several hours worth of transmit time and use of our radio. Of course, most of our time would be listening probably. Excuse me. And that would give us plenty of power to take with us in the field. Okay, we're back, and we have our power supply assembled. We have our radio here set up temporarily here in the shack, and we have our unit plugged in through an Anderson connector here up to this radio, and we're going to show you how it works. So take our battery, slide it on, and all we have to do is turn it on, and we'll have power there, I hope. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Like and comment below, and thank you for your time.